Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
I will show you how to change your iPhone alarm volume step by step. Start by unlocking the iPhone and locating the Settings app on the home screen. You can change alarm volume either in Settings or by using the physical volume buttons. This guide covers settings, clock app alarms, and volume behaviors like silent mode. Follow each step slowly and test an alarm after making changes to confirm the new volume level. Open Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics to access alarm volume controls and options. Under Ringer and Alerts, you will see a slider that sets alarm and ringtone volume. Drag the slider right to increase volume or left to decrease it in real time. Toggle Change with buttons if you want your side buttons to adjust alarm volume. Test by setting a brief alarm in clock, then adjust again if needed for clarity. Open the Clock app and tap Alarm to edit or create an alarm quickly. Tap Edit, select an alarm, then tap Sound to choose a louder tone or song. Alarms will still sound even if the silent switch is enabled on the iPhone. Do Not Disturb and Focus modes do not silence alarms by default on iOS. If alarms remain too quiet, increase Ringer and Alerts to near maximum and test again to confirm audibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.